Okay, students, due to some technical error, because network was not there, our meeting were disconnected. Now we are starting from mobile apps. We were discussing about the mobile apps. These apps run on a smartphone or a tablet. Mobile apps have responsive web design to adopt the much smaller screen size oriented on the mobile device. Look, students, when any programmer design the app, they also design for the computer and the mobile also. The mobile also. But when they design the app for the mobile, they also keep in consideration that the screen size is very small, because our laptop has big screen, so that we have to use more resolution. These apps are usually smaller in size, as mobile devices have limited memory. We all know that according to the mobile, we have limited space in every mobile, and we have to delete the data when our mobile is full of memory. Okay, some mobile apps may come preloaded on cell phones or tablets. Suppose you are purchasing a new mobile. Most of the apps are already installed. These are called pre-installed. Okay, so we have to just update them, just like Facebook, WhatsApp, any mobile, any camera app, right now. So we have to, or any email option. These are the preloaded apps on the mobile. We have to just update them timely. Keeping in view the device independence feature, software companies nowadays make diverse version of the application to be used as desktop apps, web apps or mobile apps. Now with the help of this table, we came to know about the difference between the desktop app, web app and mobile app. Let's start. Suppose we want to do photo editing. Okay, students. Then which kind of desktop app can help us? Just like Photoshop. Photoshop is the biggest software in computer which we can use to develop our app. Okay, photo editing, it must be installed. Or another one is Pixlr. This is Pixlr, Pixlr. Pixlr is also for desktop, means for our laptop or main computer to edit any picture. As well as web app is concerned, Pixlr also provides photo editing software as a web applications available at, this is the link. If you want to use this link, then you can use it from here, or you can write it. Next option, next web app is Sumo Paint. Sumo Paint also is an app in which you can edit your pictures very clearly and without losing any resolution. Adobe Photoshop Express and Mobile Pixlr are photo editing apps for mobile devices. In Adobe Photoshop Express and Mobile Pixlr, look, students, Adobe Photoshop, only Photoshop is for desktop app. It is full of words, full of tools, full of applications, right? But when we talked about Adobe Photoshop Express, it means it is a lighter version of it, because in mobile we can't use full version. Okay, students, and we can download these app with the help of Play Store, Google Play Store, if we are using Android mobile. Next is Facebook. Facebook has no desktop application, as it cannot be used without being connecting on the Facebook site. On the Facebook site. Facebook initially begins as a web-based application. Posting, messaging or videos require you to be connected to the internet. Look, students, many of you, I think, are thinking that we are using Facebook on desktop. Then why it is not a desktop app? Because beta, we need a network, we need a internet connection to run Facebook on our desktop or laptop. That's why it is not a desktop app. Desktop apps are the apps which we can install and we can run without the internet. Okay, just like Paintbrush, Excel, PowerPoint. If we installed once into our computer, then there is no need of internet to run them, right? So Facebook is not a desktop app, but Facebook initially began as a web-based app. Posting messages or videos required to be connected to the internet. We can include in the category of web app our Facebook. Next is mobile app. Mobile app, if Facebook is a mobile app, we can download it from Google Play Store, or if you are using Apple mobile, then we can install it, download it from App Store. Next is Office Suites. MS Office is a very good example of a desktop based office application. This includes word processing, spreadsheet and presentation. As I told you just before 2 minutes, that the software which we can install permanently into our computer are called desktop apps, in which we can include our word processing means MS Word, spreadsheet means Excel, or presentation apps like MS PowerPoint, right? But Microsoft allow user to use web based application. It you can include in Open Office. Open Office is the uh, alternate for the MS Office, as well as online data is concerned, online application is concerned, online work is concerned, right? So in the both way, as a web app or in a mobile app, we can use MS Office Suites. Next is games. Games we can very few games we have which we can run on our computer without internet, like solitaire and minesweeper are available on window games, but they are we can run only after the downloaded it, and if you want to continuously update them, then we need internet connection, right? But our web app and our mobile app, we can use in both ways our games, because both are the part of internet. Without internet, we can't run any game, just like Free Fire, or you can say PUBG, right? And then there are so many applications which you can include in the category of games, which needs internet connection, right? So let's move further. Okay, students, I think we have to over today's meeting because time is gone. Before it, I am going to take your attendance, and after that, you can ask any question. Okay, students, if there is no any other question, then I am ending this meeting. Stay home, stay safe.